Hey guys, what's up? This is Studio Race. Alright, boys and their toys. Got another unboxing, another toy for us guys. I'm debuting right here. As you know, you've been following me. I've been doing some work in the house. So I'm doing my garage area now. And I end up picking up this bad boy right here. Alright. Let's take a closer look at it and see what it's all about. Alright. Again, Studio Race, boys and toys. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, here we go. I got another unboxing right here. As you can see, I got me a garage cabin. Now this is the Gladiator cabin that I picked up. So let's take a quick look at it, walk around with it. Alright, so it's a full door wall box. Alright. And I ended up picking up 4 of these to start off my garage area. Alright, so what we're going to do now, I'm just going to set it up. I'm going to open up the box, let you guys get a closer look, see exactly how they ship it to you, and see what I have to do as far as putting this together. I don't think I have to do too much to it, but we'll see. Alright, as you can see with this system, let's just say right here, I can mount it on the gear tracks channels, the gear wall panels, or directly to the studs. I'm gonna be doing the first one. I'm gonna be mounting it to the gear tracks. So to let you know, as you can see, I got a bunch of them. I got the the brackets for the system. I ended up picking up the Gladiator wall mount, and even the, we call it the channels. All right, so I got quite a few boxes here that I have to be open to get my garage area / storage area all up and running. So stay with me. Let's get back to this open boxing. We'll see how it is, how it's set up. I'll give my opinion on it. I've been researching this, and I think this is the best, not the best, but for my price range I was willing to spend, I ended up going with this system. I didn't want to go with something like a Rubbermaid and what have you, because I have those systems in the back and they don't last. They really don't. Alright, they're inexpensive, but they're not made to take a big beating. Alright, and I wanted something that's sturdy. Alright, I'm going to be storing my tools, my photo gear, everything in the system. So I want something sturdy and that's not going to break down, and I think this will fit the bill. So stay with me. Gonna open it up, do a quick time lapse, and bring some details to you as I open it up, and then I'll also be showing you how I'm mounting it to my walls. So guys, this is Studio Roy's Boys and Their Toys. Let's get into the video. Thank you. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright guys, as you see, I opened up the box. Alright, here's the directions here, guys. It's gonna come in several pieces to put it together. Alright, it's gonna ask for a wrench, Allen wrench, and look like a screwdriver. So of course I'm gonna go get my power tools and prepare to set this up. Alright, so just like all my other videos, guys, I'm gonna just set up a time lapse. I'm gonna spread this out and put it together. I'm gonna stop if I see anything of issues or something I should bring to your attention. I'll stop the time lapse, focus on that particular detail, and continue on. All right. So again, guys, this is the Gladiator, and this is the model I end up picking up. All right. So stay with me. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this Studio Race, Boys and Their Toys. I like doing product reviews, pretty much buying tools, showing them off, telling you what I like about them, and how it's making my life a little easy. Alright, so this is a garage toy. I need some cabinets for my new garage, get it all set up the way I like. Alright, so guys, stay with me. Let's get into the video, and hit me all in the comments if you got any questions about it. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright guys, just to bring it to your attention when you start off, they give you a hex screw Allen wrench already, but if you have a power tool and you want to use your own, you're going to need a 3/16 3/16 hex. All right, for this. All right, so it's a 3/16 if you want to use your own. They give you one and you can use there, which is fine, but if you have power tools and you want to go a little faster, you need a 3/16. So just want to... Alright guys, I got my stuff spread out. Alright, now when you get it, when you get your directions, alright, you're gonna see they're gonna ask you to put together your P1s, P3s, and P2s. And in relation to that, guys, they properly marked it. So just look for these little tags here that's up here, and everyone has one. Alright, tag there, tag there's P1, that's a P3. It's the P1s, all right? So just look for those tags and they'll take you through putting your things together. So what they're asking me to do now is grab P1 and P1, which is up there, the P3 and P2. All right, so I got everything in that area ready, and all they're gonna ask you to just use 16 of those F1 screws to make your box. So I'm gonna get that set up right now. So I just want to bring that to your attention. So let me continue on. All right, guys. I definitely want to bring this to your attention because it's kind of stomped me when I first started. All right, this is gonna be your, I think it's P3 I'm dealing with. Yeah, P3. Deal with that one first. Start with the P3. This is your Gladiator pointed towards you. All right. This is the bottom or the inside of the cabin. All right. So it has to be in this position, not upside down like this and putting it together, because the hose is not going to line up. So it has to be flat like this with this part up here. Number two, you're going to see some tabs right here, right there. There's another tab here and another tab here. Just push this out a little bit, because these tabs is going to have to line up with this tab here. All right, just flip it around. You'll see when you put wherever side the P2s on each side, they should line up here and slip in here. Once it slip in, then you come with your screws that you have and you'll attach it and it'll screw right in. So that's how you start it off. It kind of stopped me initially how to start doing this. I thought I was lined up wrong with my screws, but that's what you have to do. So I just want to bring that to your attention, and let's continue on. Alright guys, I got the first step done. Alright, again, got P1, P3 I believe it is, and P2. The little tabs all going to be pointing in the same direction toward the back. Alright, so you'll know you got it all lined up correctly. And again, when you guys put it in, just make sure that thing goes through this little slot. Let's go from the bottom to the top. Alright, that's going to make sure it's locked in. Alright, I suggest to hand tighten them first, get them all set up, then come back and then tighten it down. Alright, so I'm going to continue to part 2. Part 2 is asking me to get P4 and P5 set up. Alright, and again, they all marked, so I'm going to grab P4, P5, lay this down and throw it back on. So let me continue on with that. Alright guys, I got the back on. It's P4 and P5. All right, it's just gonna be held on with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Now the trick with this one, guys, you see these little tabs here? You'll see it when it slips through. You gotta make sure it goes through and through up to the top. All right, through the back to the top. I don't know if you can see that. How it's going through the bottom, then going catching the tap and coming to the other side. All right, that's right, one right here. So you're gonna have to play with that. All right, to get this done. All right. I think the easiest way for me to do it is put on P4 first. All right. Get the tab slip through, then stand it on its side, and then put in P5 and try to slip it on, because when you try to slip this on and this is not secured yet, it's a tendency to pull out. All right, so do that and just grab one of the screws and put it in this hole so it doesn't move. And actually, I think I'm gonna have to back it out because I missed this one. I don't know if you can tell. See, I got it here and I got it there, but I think I missed this one, so I'm gonna have to pull this out. All right, so that's the trick. All right, you're gonna have to keep back and forth and trying to get this done. So I'm gonna have to go back, and I missed that tab to get that in. So I think that's the most pain in the butt, trying to get the back on. But once you get it on, then it'll be fine. So let me unscrew this real quick, get that slip back in there, put a screw up there so it doesn't slip out. All right, and get it back attached. So let me continue on. All right, guys. Next step you're gonna do, step 3. They ask you to put 4 screws. 1 here, 2 on this side, and 2 on this side. And they're asking you to leave a 1/16 gap. All right, because you're gonna come. Next step is gonna be putting the doors on. So that's what I did now. I'm gonna continue on. Again, if you guys, I find the trick again. If you end up when you put that back on, and up here, if you miss that tab to get them in, you don't need to take the whole thing off. Just unscrew these 2 screws here, lift up on the top plate, and get those tabs slipped in where they're supposed to be. All right. So, and as you can see, this is P4 and this P5. The arrows all point in the same direction. All right. So that's the back of it. I just want to bring that to your attention real quick. All right. So I'm gonna continue on with step number 4. It looks like I gotta put these doors on. So let me continue on with that with the time lapse. All right, guys. All right, guys. I got the doors on. I didn't tighten them down just yet because I want to get the shelves in, and that's the final part on it. As you're at step 5, you're gonna put the bottom shelf in first, and as you notice on this one here, they have a little magnet tabs. That one goes on bottom. All right, of this in there, and the other one that's underneath there goes right on top. All right, so I'm almost close to the end. We're at step 5, step 6. 6, we're gonna put the bar in the back of it, and that's pretty much it. All right, so let me get that going. Again, I didn't tighten down the screws yet because I want to get that shelf in. Then I'll line up the 2 doors to make sure they come in and out properly without scraping, and we're pretty much done putting this together. So let me continue on with that. Okay, guys. All right, guys, let me show you something. I got the shelves in, which is all fine. I'm gonna show you my mistake. All right, and so you guys avoid this. As you can see how I got the doors on, initially what I thought was correct, but it wasn't. All right, this flange has to go on the opposite side, because as you notice, when I try to close the door, it doesn't close. All right, so I had the hinge on the wrong way. I guess I just went over that part in the directions. I didn't see that clearly, so I'm gonna have to take these off, which is no big deal because I didn't tighten it down. Slip them off and reverse it. So this goes on the other side. So, and I ended up doing it wrong on this side also. So, all right, that was my mistake. I'm gonna have to fix it. So let me get back and fixing that and set up correctly. All right. is all put together. All the screws are put together. Alright. The little nut up there holds the little mounting bracket right here. Alright. You see these two holes on the back of A. And so that'll slide in this channel to keep it locked on the wall. So 1 down, 3 to go. Alright. So that's about it, guys. That's the Gator system. Gladiator system. So I'm gonna end this video with this assembly and unboxing, and I'm gonna continue on. Once I get all of them set up, I'll pick it up another video on actually mounting the tracks to the wall and getting this up. So guys, please like, subscribe, tell me what you think of the video. We appreciate this type of stuff. I hope you do. Again, this is the full door wall gearbox. Forgetting the wind that's out here. I'm putting this outside. So I'll see you guys on the next one. All right. Thanks for tuning in.